Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the Minecraft Pocket Edition, and it shows you cannot play on realms because of how your Microsoft account is set up. Please ensure your online safety settings allow multiplayer and clubs. See instructions for changing these settings. And in followed by it shows on URL, and the same message also occurs for my friends list as well as servers list. So anyway, how to fix these privacy settings? So very simple method is just go back to your homepage section and then try to access settings, and in left side it shows all the settings category. So here I try to access profile and they show some more options, but you can click to access privacy and online safety. So if you select this option, your phone browser is opening and it asks for my Microsoft account details. So just try to complete this step. And during the sign in process, sometimes they verify your mobile number, and this is for security purpose. So finally the sign in process is completed, and slightly scroll down and make sure if you select this privacy category. So here you can check it if you select everyone and allow options. So once you select it, and don't forget to save these changes. So next you can select the second category, Xbox One or Windows 10 online safety, and slightly scroll down. But unfortunately some options are disabled, so you can click to allow. And the important one is you can join multiplayer games, so you can click to allow. So once you've done these processes, and don't forget to save these changes and close this browser as well as your Minecraft, and after the few seconds just try to open it. So now this time I try to press this play button, but friends, this time you can see my friends list as well as servers list is opening very smoothly, and it does not show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech, and thanks for watching.